children! Are you ready for the 12th episode? Today's story is about a musical donkey. At the end of the story, we have a musical activity for you where Arjun and I will teach you to make a damru. So please watch the video till the end. Once a washerman had a donkey. He was old and lean. Lean, children, means thin. During the day, the donkey had to carry heavy loads of clothes, but at night he was free to roam about. One day he came across a jackal. Soon the donkey and the jackal became friends and wandered together in search of food. One night they found a garden full of ripe cucumber. Children, cucumber is commonly referred to as a vegetable, but botanically it is a fruit. The donkey and the jackal entered the garden and ate as much cucumber as they could and came away. The next night they went to the garden again and ate some more cucumber and left. Thus, night after night, they had a heavy meal of ripe cucumbers and soon the donkey became fat. One day, the donkey was so happy after eating cucumbers that he said to the jackal, "Ee-oh, ee-oh, dear nephew, look, the moon is shining in the sky. The night is so pleasant and I am so happy. I want to sing a song." "Uncle, no, you better not. You will surely bring trouble for us. The farmers will hear you and come after us. Remember, we are thieves here, and it is better for thieves to keep quiet." "Oh dear nephew, but everything is so lovely around here, and I'm so happy. I must sing a song." "Oh, uncle, you better not. Besides, your voice is not very pleasant." Pleasant, children, is likable. "Nephew, you are jealous. Besides, you have no taste in music." "That's true, uncle," said the jackal. "But your music is sweet only to you. And if you sing, the farmers will surely hear you and they will definitely come here and give you a big reward. And believe me, their reward you will not like. So you better not sing." "Ee-oh, ee-oh, you are a fool, nephew, a big fool. Do you think I cannot sing sweet songs? Now listen to me." And saying that, the donkey lifted his head and began to bray. "Uncle, wait! Uncle, wait! You are right. You can sing as much as you want to, but let me go wait outside the garden." So the donkey began to sing. A farmer heard the donkey bray.
"Oh no, I think there's a donkey in the garden. Let's go shoo him away."
He knew that there was a donkey in the garden and with all the other farmers went to the garden carrying heavy weapons. The donkey was still braying when the farmers began to beat the donkey. They beat him so hard that he fell down. The farmers tied a heavy rock around the donkey's neck and left him there. The jackal was waiting for the donkey outside the garden when the donkey dragged himself out with the rock around his neck. "Oh, uncle, it seems that the farmers have rewarded you for your singing. Congratulations." The donkey realized his mistake and felt sad that he did not listen to the good advice given by his friend the jackal. The poor little donkey, If only he had listened to his friend's advice, he would have still been eating cucumbers. What do you think is the moral of the story? Please don't forget to mention it in the comment section below. Hello once again, children. Since today's story was about a musical donkey, I thought we could all do a musical activity together and make a musical instrument out of household items. Look what Arjun and I made. This is a damru. A damru is a two-sided drum, and we have made this out of items that were easily available at home. Arjun, can you please tell our viewers the materials required to make a damru?
The materials required are 2 paper cups, stiff white paper or white chart paper. I am using a chart paper which I tore from my old notebook. Sellotape, Fevicol, scissors, Weiner ribbon, paint and paintbrush, toothpick or matchstick, beads or clay. I'm using clay because I don't have beads at home.
So let's begin to make our damru. You just need to let the Fevicol dry and the Fevicol stains will no longer be visible, and you have your drums ready. I hope you all enjoyed this activity. Bye.
Do follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Do not forget to hit the bell icon to get updates on our future videos. Please do share it with your family and friends. Thank you.